guys want to win some Super Clean? Stick around, because we're doing a giveaway of some of this stuff. John, this is Out of Order Garage. Thanks for watching, folks. Well, the rules are pretty simple. First of all, you have to be subscribed. Second, you must have a U.S. mailing address. P.O. boxes are okay. Then comment hashtag Out of Order Garage on this video. And that will get you entered. And then in another video, after this one, I'll let it run for about a week or so. We'll do a random drawing of a winner. And then that winner need to send me their name and address. I'll forward that to Super Clean. Super Clean will send them some product. Simple as that.